Welcome to this tutorial on how to withdraw from CoinMarketCap in 2025. CoinMarketCap is a popular cryptocurrency data tracking website that also offers features such as price tracking and portfolio management. To withdraw from CoinMarketCap, you will need to follow these steps. First, you need to create an account on CoinMarketCap and set up your portfolio. If you have not already done so, you can sign up for an account by providing your email address and creating a password. Once you have created your account, you can set up your portfolio by adding the cryptocurrencies you own. Next, you need to navigate to the portfolio section of the website and select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You can do this by clicking on the portfolio tab and then selecting the cryptocurrency from the list. Once you have selected the cryptocurrency, you can click on the withdraw button. You will then be prompted to enter the address you want to withdraw to. This should be the address of your external wallet where you want to receive the cryptocurrency. Make sure to double check the address to ensure it is correct, as transactions cannot be reversed. After entering the address, you will need to enter the amount you want to withdraw. You can enter the amount in the cryptocurrency or in your local currency. The website will then calculate the equivalent amount in the other currency. Once you have entered the address and amount, you can review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. You will see the amount you are withdrawing, the address you are sending to, and any applicable fees. If everything is correct, you can confirm the transaction and the withdrawal will be processed. The processing time will depend on the cryptocurrency and the network congestion. You can track the status of your withdrawal in the portfolio section of the website. It is also important to note that CoinMarketCap has withdrawal fees and limits. The fees and limits will vary depending on the cryptocurrency and your account level. You can find more information on the fees and limits in the help section of the website. In conclusion, withdrawing from CoinMarketCap is a straightforward process that requires you to create an account, set up your portfolio, navigate to the portfolio section, select the cryptocurrency, enter the address and amount, review the transaction details, and confirm the transaction. Always make sure to double check the address and amount to ensure everything is correct, and be aware of the fees and limits.